Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. Today we're going to be looking at two topics together. One is on how to create a Discord server, and the second one is going to be on how to invite to your Discord server and make a permanent link. So first and foremost, after you open up your Discord, you're going to have your servers, and underneath your server is going to have this plus icon, which if you hover is gonna pop up with a name called add a server. You want to press on that, and then you want to press on create my own. After you press on create your own, you want to make sure for what you're doing this, for a club or community or for your friends. For me, it's just gonna be for me, so I'm gonna press for me and my friends. After that, we can name the server as however you want it. I'm gonna name it as test server, and I'm gonna create it, and that's it, that's done. So after we've created, now if you can see there's an invite, right? And you'll see your invite link expires in 7 days. Now you see, then you press on edit invite link. I'm gonna press on that. Once you press on that, you can create the limit. So if you just want to invite one person and you want to make sure no one else joins in, you can press on one use. Or if you don't care on how many people joins, you want to press on no limit. And if you don't care about how long this link stays active, you can press on never. And once you do that, you'll see my expiry date is never and my number used is no limit. So I'm gonna press on generate a link, and I'm gonna copy this, and then once I copy it, I can just send it right here, and this link will never expire. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.